Are you overwhelmed by countless spreadsheets and slow reports? Imagine never missing a crucial metric again, all from one platform. This is where TeamOB Analytics comes in. TeamOB connects your ERP, CRM, Google Sheets, and more. It combines all your data into a single, powerful tool. Let's explore its key benefits step by step. First, you can visualize your business using stunning dashboards. Enjoy real-time data and AI-powered insights, all without any coding. Second, track important metrics instantly. This includes revenue, customer growth, system uptime, and much more. Now, let's look at some standout features. TeamOB offers over 50 chart types, a drag-and-drop dashboard builder, time filters, templates, alerts, and automated reports. You'll have everything you need to make data-driven decisions. Getting started is simple and fast. You can set up your account in just 5 minutes. With 90% of the solution being no code, anyone can use it. Plus, 24/7 support is always available. Real results speak volumes. Businesses improved their operations by 25% using TeamOB Analytics. This solution works perfectly for various departments. It's great for sales and marketing, finance, HR, and operations. So, are you ready to unlock powerful insights? Start your free trial today or book a demo now.